Hello again. Let's begin our second story. My name is Lily Chen. I am 24 years old. I live with my aunt in a busy city. I work at a bakery. I wake up early, 5:30. I make rice. I feed the cat. Then I walk to work. Every day I pass the same street corner, and every day I see the same girl. She sells flowers. She is young, maybe 17. She wears a red sweater. She always smiles. "Good morning," she says. "Good morning," I reply. She sells roses, sunflowers, small white flowers. People walk past her. Most people don't stop. One rainy morning, I bought a rose. "For who?" she asked. "For myself," I said. She laughed. "That's good." "What's your name?" I asked. "May." "I'm Lily." From that day, I started buying flowers every Friday. Sometimes we talked. She moved to the city with her mother. Her mother is sick. May stopped school to work. She sells flowers in the morning. She cleans tables in a restaurant at night. She looked tired, but she always smiled. One day she wasn't there. The next day also not. I felt worried. On Thursday, I finally saw her. She looked pale. "Are you okay?" I asked. She shook her head. "My mother is in hospital." I didn't think. I just said, "Come, have tea with me." We sat in the bakery. She held the cup with both hands. "She needs medicine," May said, "but it's expensive." I listened. I felt helpless. That night, I couldn't sleep. Next morning, I talked to my boss. I told him about May. He thought for a moment. Then he said, "We can help." We put a small box on the counter. It said, "Help a young girl help her mother." Customers started putting money inside. Coins, bills, notes with kind words. After 3 days, the box was full. I gave it to May. Her eyes filled with tears. "I don't know what to say." "Say nothing," I told her. "Just take care of your mom." Weeks passed. May came back to selling flowers. She looked stronger. Her smile was real again. "My mother is better," she said. "I will go back to school next month." I hugged her. "I'm proud of you." Now sometimes May visits the bakery. Sometimes she brings flowers. Sometimes she just sits and talks. She wants to become a nurse. She wants to help people. I learned something from May. Kindness travels. One small act becomes many. Now, every Friday, we give free bread to people in need. It started with one girl, one flower, one cup of tea. Now it's your turn. Play this story again. Pause after each sentence. Repeat after me. Practice daily. Even 10 minutes helps.